Knowledge 6. In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 2520, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the characteristics of a fortunate person. The first characteristic is that they act on their useful knowledge. Knowledge is only beneficial when one acts on it, otherwise it is something which will testify against them on Judgment Day. Not acting on one's knowledge and expecting to obtain success is as foolish as the one who possesses a map to their desired destination, yet does not use it, and still hopes to reach their destination safely. It is vital for Muslims to fulfill both aspects of knowledge. The first is gaining it from a reliable source, and the second is to sincerely act on it, for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim must find the path to paradise and journey down it in order to reach it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.